Well, if you haven't heard, Leap 15 has been around for 8 years. And the end of this month, April of 2026, Leap 15 will no longer receive any update. That's right. If you've been using Leap 15 series, which came out May 25th of 2018, it was a fresh community built on top of the SUSE Linux Enterprise 15. It brought a huge variety of new software along with easy migration to SLE, transactional updates, server roles, scalability, cloud images, and more. What followed was an impressive long-run releases from 15.1 to 15.6, as each stable release aligned with its twin, which is a source and binary compatible, and delivered maintenance and security updates to users over several years. This is SUSE's, it's their long-term support Linux, or LTS. The series far exceeds promises and ultimately spanned nearly 8 years of active support and development. With Leap 15.6 going end of life, users who wish to continue receiving maintenance and security updates should go to 16. 16 is expected to go all the way through 16.6 and all the way until fall of 2031. And we'll have 24 months of support for each point release. Running an unsupported release means your system will no longer receive patches for vulnerabilities, which poses a real security risk to you over time. The upgrade path to Leap 16 is the recommended way to stay protected and supported. So go to the openSUSE website, click on Leap, and follow the instructions there for the migration tool upgrade. Leap 15.6 itself received nearly 24 months of support, which extended the traditional support of 18 months. That's 6 months longer than what they advertised. Leap 16 users can expect a full 24 months of community support per point release. Commitment that reflects the significant effort the maintainers keep users protected. That is, volunteers and paid SUSE employees that keep Leap up and running. Thank you to all the contributors, packages, and users that made the Leap 15 series such a long-lasting and reliable platform. Here's to the next chapter of Leap 16. Thank you for listening to me ramble. We'll see you next time in the next video. Thank you. Bye.